Now after you have updated your phone to iOS 26, if you are not able to organize or move these icons to other screen in your iPhone, then let us see some of the things we can try to fix the issue. Now the first method by which many users were able to move the app icon was to press and hold the icon for little bit longer time than usual. So once the icon starts to shake, just wait for a few seconds and then slowly drag and move to the next screen. So this is the first thing that you can try, and after that done. Now the next thing that you can try is you will press and hold the app icon with one finger, and when the icon starts to shake, then you will use another finger to swipe the screen. For example, let me tap and hold this App Store icon for a few seconds, and once it starts to shake, I will use this thumb in order to swipe the screen, and then I can leave the app icon here, and then done. So this is the second method. The third method is we will turn off one setting in our iPhone. For that one, we will go to settings here, go to general, then we will go to keyboard, and there is an option here, slide to type. Turn off this option and check if you can move or organize the app or not. Now the other thing that you can try is you can reset home screen layout. So this will organize the app icon on your iPhone screen. For example, if you see here, there are gaps here, and if you want to organize, you have to go to settings here, go to general, go to transfer or reset iPhone, go to reset, and there is an option here, reset home screen layout. Now once you select this option, the icons present on the iPhone screen will organize, but if you have put icons together in a folder, then that folder will be removed and all the icons will be on the home screen. So you have to be careful when you do that one. Now the last resort for you is, if this has happened after iOS 26 update and nothing has fixed the issue, then the only option for you is to wait for another update and then fix it. To check the update, you have to go to settings here, go to general, go to software update, and then see if there is an update available. For me, you can see there is iOS 26.4.2 update. So I will update it and hopefully this will fix the issue. Thank you for watching the video. If any of this step has fixed the issue, then please mention in the comment for others. Also like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.